Mangrol Assembly Constituency is one of the 182 Assembly Constituency of Gujarat. It is located in Junagadh District. This assembly seat represents the following segments: Vidhan Taluka, Mangrol Taluka, Part, Villages, Arena, Kota Lividai, Talana, Husanabad, Jambali, Juthal, Kadata, Kata Juna, Kata Nava, Limora, Lathodra, Maktupur, Mangrol, M. Mankitra, Sakrana, Shapur, Shapur, Sheepa, Shariyakan, Shariyanch, Verpur, Kankasa. 2007, Bhagwan Jibhai Kargatia, Bharatiya Janata Party. 2012, Rajesh Bhai Chudasama, Bharatiya Janata Party. 2014, Babubhai Kalabhai, Indian National Congress. 2017, Babubhai Kalabhai, Indian National Congress.